We've been working in Timor-Leste since 2003 and we've installed over 100 systems on community centres, health clinics and schools.
Ata, agora ita boleh renew, siramai lori kerasa tenaga surya, lori kerasa equipamento, depois ini ba siramai for treinu amina inen, konaba monta tenaga surya harus lemah, ami langsung pratika ya monta ya tenaga surya ya Centro Comunidade Covalima Rasik.
There was a delivery at night around 12 o'clock, heavy rain, then there was no electricity, so we could use the solar light.
Regular maintenance is key to keeping these systems online.